In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card account in Xero. Now, if you've just started using Xero or you're looking to streamline your financial management process, adding a credit card account is a great place to start. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Make sure you're logged into your Xero account to get started. Once you're in, look towards the top of the page and you'll see a menu called Accounting. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to a range of options related to your accounts. But for our purpose today, what we're interested in is bank accounts. Give that a click as well. After you're on the bank accounts page, you'll notice a button that says Add Bank Account. Click on it, and this is where the magic happens. You will now see a list of banks. Choose your bank from this list by typing in the name or scrolling through the options available. Once you select your bank, you'll be asked to enter your login details. This step will allow Xero to set up what's called a bank feed. This is essentially a direct line from your bank to Xero, enabling automatic transaction import. Simply follow the prompts on your screen to make this happen. If, however, you'd rather not or can't set up a bank feed right now, no worries at all. Xero offers a second option called Add Without Bank Feed. Clicking this option will also let you add your credit card account manually. Here, you'll need to provide some information about your account. Start by entering your bank's name. Then you have a few more fields to fill in: the account name, the account type, and the currency. Make sure that each detail is correct, as this will ensure your financial data is accurately organized. Once you've carefully input all the necessary details, click Add Account. This action will save your credit card account in Xero, making it ready for you to manage transactions, reconcile spending, and get an overall clear view of your finances. Adding your credit card to Xero is not only straightforward, but also immensely beneficial for keeping track of your financial activities effectively. That's all there is to it. You've now added a credit card account to Xero. With your accounts neatly set up, you can focus on more strategic aspects of your business. Rest easy, knowing your financials are in good hands. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of Xero. See you next time.